ugogo mayidenekile uzothi hayi wena suka kimi man nangu mama akho le ubhizi namadoda le Gauteng uzomblame ugogo ukwatile awuthumela imali awuzi but ku boyfriend uyaya claiming ukuthi wena ufuna ukuvusa ifamily ufuna ukuba nomuzi wakho uba nomuzi wakho kanjani umntana wakho angekho phambi kwakho umenzele bani lo mntwana umntana wakho makavakasha ngeDisember uzula naye la eYitradeni emashop abangani bakho bathi hey ukhulisile uyu umntana wakho lo yo nefana ncamashi thank you ngiyabonga ukhuliseni awukhulisanga fakho waye ungathi hayi umama la kwangikhulisela angazi ngamuzi umama osho kanjani mabampraise ngomntana angahlali naye there is no way I can go to ugobela ngafuna umfazi akusaso wami loyo akusaseyilo ngophuwo uNkulunkulu loyo angeke kube umaqondana loyo ngoba uyazi ukuthi umshango umuthi everyday wena Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Appa is your host with the most. Thank you very much bafethu njengenjwayelo ama-subscribers wethu nabantu ababukela ama-video wethu sanibonga kakhulu bafethu siyacela bafethu niwashare nikhomente sizokwazi ukukhula somphakathi because this podcast bafethu is very very educational ngoba mina umntana kagogo ngikhuliswe ugogo. I was raised by my grandmother. Power to her. Ebafethu abantu abakhuliswa abogogo banenkinga nabo. They have many problems nabo as they grow because remember abomama bethu bayasithatha basilahlele lapha kugogo. You'll never know ukuthi what is really a problem ukuthi basilahlele kugogo bangasikhulisi ngokwabo. Yabo abanye babeka ama reason ukuthi they are working yabo. And uthola ukuthi into ebhlungu ke bafethu uma usebenza omunye usebenza kanje usebenza endlini yomlungu ugada abantwana bomlungu makachayisa uya ku boyfriend akaye abantwaneni bakhe because abantwana bakhe bakumama akhe ukugogo kulabantwana. It is very amazing yabona and ukuya ngami yiyo yenza ukuthi abantwana bangabe right naleyo. You may think ukuthi mangikhulela kagogo ngihappy ugogo ngiphatha kahle and everything. Let me tell you ke ugogo okokuqala sometimes kwabanye akazi ama surname wabo angempela abo baba babo akabazi ugogo. Uyangithola ugogo sekamane uyangithatha njengoba uyabona ukuthi umama ubusy akanasikhathi sami. Yebo umama makanasikhathi sami that is why umunye ugogo angithatha. Omunye ke ugogo uzongithatha ngoba nina abantwana bakhe animnakekele until niletha abantwana senizonakekela abantwana kugogo. Ugogo akhona ukudla ugogo akhona ukuthi nimvakashele ningabantwana bakhe nina akazonibona because umameni lo umkhulu wenu lo ufuna ukunibona ningabantwana bakhe noma ningakhula noma ningalotsholwa nishadwe nibone ukuthi nina sene independent seniyazimela. But guys, those are your parents. So nina nilahlela abantwana benu la enebona bogogo kwesinye isikhathi bazikhulisele nina. Yabo abanye abogogo baqhetha unembeza ukuthi abanikhulisanga kahle nina bayabona the way nenza ngakhona niyaba disappointa. so kuba ngathi abanikholesanga kahle akungcono bayenze right kulabantwana benu yibo abamamelayo plus bancane angithi bona so abogogo sebabambe nje kuleyo ukuthi at least sisa respect abazukulu so that yenza ukuthi kube ngathi abogogo bathanda abazukulu okudlula nini abantwana babo kanti bafethu abogogo banenkinga nabo ngapha engqondweni banempilo zabo bangayenzanga kahle empilweni nabo yathola but ke enye into futhi engiyibonile abantwana babogogo bafethu sikhula si right but emoyeni asikho right engqondweni asikho right I can tell you that because I was raised by my grandmother azange ngihambe ngilale ngadlanga ugogo wakhona but into ebalulekile la where is my mother that question iyavela kumntanakho every day where is my mother and abanye bayathuka bayazwela ukuthi abomama baseGauteng bakuphi kuphi yangithola ugogo mayidenekile uzothi hayi wena suka kimi man nangu mama akho le ubusy namadoda le eGauteng uzomblame ugogo ukwatile awuthumela imali awuzi but ku boyfriend uyaya claiming ukuthi wena ufuna ukuvusa ifamily ufuna ukuba nomuzi wakho uba nomuzi wakho kanjani umntana wakho angekho phambi kwakho umenzele bani lo mntwana kusho ukuthi kuba sinabo gogo bafethu kube kwabheda kudala kithi kube thina abo bafethu asikho namhlanje or asikho nje namhlanje or asingamadoda esiyiwo namhlanje kuba kusabo gogo bethu because kuyabonakala ukuthi ulahliwe da njengoba abantu balahlela nasesikolweni abazali ababhaya abantu abamnyama abayisa abantwana esikolweni ukuthi babe ne bright future abayenzi lento bayise esikolweni ukuthi basuke phambi kwabo uzowuzwa ikolo mazivaliwe umama uzokhomba umntwana oramshude lapha yana umntwana eganga lapha yana orenzana hayi dikolo ga di bulwe re khathetse thinking or bua bo clever wena or bua ntwe na lenqondo even if it's a joke that is not a laughable joke I'm telling you that is not a laughable joke ha di bulwe dikolo ha di bulwe bana mara o tsebe mistress class teacher ya ngwana ha wa o etsebe how so o ile ha ika meeting wa bana wa sekolo o ntse o protecta ka mosebetsi magona deposit tsa hao tsona ha ba batla ko sekolong sa bana ba hae ba yaya without even telling you but wena o tshaba o ba jwetsa o ya sabo kutshela amaboss ukuthi Thursday kune meeting esikolweni somntanami kunenkinga bangibizile ngomntanami ngaye straight but wena oye ungaba nothumela umalume ngoba umalume akasebenza kanamali umnika i20 yokwayi aye lapha yana makazana indaba umalume angeke uzijabulele futhi awuzithathi futhi awuzimameli lokuthi nje how bayahlanya labo mistress kanti umntana wakho yaganga esikolweni nifuna ukulanda izinhle kuphela zabantwana benu futhi labo mama abanganandaba nezikolo zabantwana babo abalahlela abantwana ezikolweni abanandaba ukuthi umntwana wenzani esikolweni and most yabo balwesabo mistress lapha esikolweni umntwana make faila or mabathathela umntwana isigqoko yabo ngoba labantwana beno bagqoka igqoko eziblue ezinjani different from the colors of the school uniform uhamba kanjani nalesigqoko lo mntwana mhlambe wena ungasho ukuthi lo mntwana lona uhamba mina sengihambile but wena are you instilling imithetho endlini yakho are you making sure umntwana wakho uzodelela ngoba uyazi awunandaba awuzi lapha yana and uma uye esikolweni ulwela yena you are on his side irrespective of his wrongdoings singabazali abanjani bafethu singabazali abanjani why abantwana bethu bakhula bebhede most yabo ilaba abakhuliswa abogogo bafethu siyagijima estradeni until late ugogo uthi uyangikhoza ngimamele because I'm stressful ngomama ngifuna umuntu ongizalile la. It's only natural bafowethu, it's only natural. Indlovu nendlovu mayihambe nomntwana wayo nomthwalo wayo, indlovu nendlovu. Uyekela ukuthi wena umntana makaze kuwe ngoDisemba uhleli lapha emkhukhwini ukipitile neboyfriend yakho, umntana wakho makavakasha ngeDisemba uzula naye la eYitradeni emashop, abangani bakho bathini, hey ukhulisile uyu umntana wakho lo, yo nefana ncamashi, thank you ngiyabonga. Ukhuliseni? Awukhulisanga fakho. Waye ungathi hayi umama lo kwangikhulisela, angazi ngamuzwa umama osho kanjalo mabampraise ngomntana angahlali naye, azi kahle ukuthi they are only here for holidays, yabo. But when you'll take all this credit, yokuthi hey bathi ukhulisile, hey ufana nawe, thank you, wow, thank you. It is understandable ukuthi niyathanda ukupraiswa. It's only human. It's understandable ukuthi you need a validation. It's only human. Give your children validation first. Give your children praising. Ngoba no praise umntana wakho agogo. Abanye umntana uyaganga la eJozi, akamameli kwayena komamakhe, akakumameli. Why? Uhleli ne stepfather lesi esingamthandi, yena umntana uyabona ukuthi lo ngama action yakhe ayabonakala ukuthi akangithandisisi lo. Ifrustrate umntwana leyo nto, bese umntwana kuba irabhela phambi kwakho, bese wena uyenzane ngoba manje ukwatisa le out yakho seyikhomba umntwana, seyithi umntwana wakho kanjani kodwa ahlala nawe, akusumntana wakhe yena. Uyambona ukuthi ubheka ipotoko kuphela, ubheka amathanga kuphela lo muntu, ubheka ubuyelo bone kuphela lo muntu, akathande ezakho, akathandi nezakini, ngoba abanye abaze emakini. Uhlala nawe nje emkhukhwini, akasihluphi nokuthi kini kukuphi, akabone akanyathela amabala kini, akasihluphi. Kodwa indoda yakho uhlala nawe, sho ukuthi uyakuthanda wena, angazi kini. Wena bese uthatha lo mntwana ngoba ufuna ukuvula ispace kube mnandi endlini, angithi uthatha lo mntwana wena umisa kugogo. Makafika ngale yini ezomenza ukuthi angasabi isitodi ugogo? Ngathi wena uhlule ugogo umamakho, wena umzukulu uzomenzani? Umzukulu uyaganga makafika ngale, ufaka abanye abantwana kunkinga, ubafundisa idakamizwa, ubafundisa ukuthi eJozi kwenzakalani. Ask me guys, I know. Abajabulanga abantwana benu kuba gogo. Ungenze ngathi ujabulile ngoba wena you have your free time la eJozi, uyajola wenzani, you have your free time. Abanye benu nenza abanye futhi, ngoba le ndoda yakho le othi indoda yakho akathandanga lo mntanakho, kodwa wenza umntwana, ufuna ukwenza umntwana nawe. Kanjani uzomthanda yena? Ngithi ngoba wakhe yena. Kodwa lo owakho uthandwa ubani? Ubaba. Uthandwa umuphi ubaba? Ngoba akanababa yena, so aswele nawe ngoba le ndoda yakho izofuna ukuthi manje lo mntana akhe amphathe njengeqanda, and you have to be there wena as a mother. Angithi you forgot about other kids. Abanye benani batshele ukuthi hey mina nginabantwana, mina ekhaya ngila ngomsebenzi, nginabantwana ekhaya. Mawuthola indoda especially ethi yona ayifuna umfazi onabantwana ngoba wena uyamthanda, ubheke nepotoko, wena you sacrifice umntanakho ukuthi uthi hayi naki nabana, mina nginabantwana, kanti nabantwana. Sinjani bafethu? Sikhulisa abantwana kanjani? Asekeleni ukusindisa abogogo ngemithwalo kungaseyethu, especially mawuhambisa umntwana ongaziwa nesibongo lapha yana. Ugogo akazi nokuthi makaphahlela lo mntwana aphahlathini, umfaka esibongweni sakhe, naye umfaka naye esibongweni sakhe. Yabo bafethu, please let us take responsibility for our I can say for our rubbish. Matlakala arona udodi wethu asibeni responsible for, ngoba siyabuya kubogogo, siyakhula, ugogo yashona, ngizobuya kuwe, angikujwayelanga, basically angikwazi. What I know is just you are my mom, and when you don't know me as your child, awungazi mangikwatile, awungazi mangiset, awungazi mangijabulile. Yabo, you have to start afresh again, and I'm already 20 years. Sekukhona izinto engizenzile mina ngizozitshela ukuthi wena mawuza kimi njengomama ngithi ungena endabeni ongazazi ufuna ukungifundisa imithetho emisha phela ugogo wami okumama wami ungifundisile lezi zinto. Wena you come with the new things wena kimi. It is going to be a new things because you are new as well. Ngoqine kudala le oza ngama holiday ngabo Mandela Day kimi kodwa umntanakho lo why ungayiviki neviki if umshiye ejinini lumama wakho nomntwana ukuthi ufuna ispace sokuyosebenza why ungayiviki neviki why ungayi every month uya every after 6 months uya ngo Good Friday wena hayi ngizoza ngo December ngibhizi emsebenzini kanti ubhizi namadoda ngifuna ukutshelwa ubhizi namadoda ayikho lento ufuna nje your freedom which you couldn't get wena ozimoshele yona ngokuba nomntwana usasemncane. Mina my mom was 18 years makaba nami bekamncane blind angakabi responsible kwayena, so she relied on her elders ngaleso sikhathi yangithola she relied on her elders. Now listen to her elders, they say hayi lo baba lo mntwana utsotsi sizokhilisela lo mntwana baphi namhlanje. Mina ngimazi babami bamalile bona yiba bamalile na ingozi yokwenza umntwana omncane you gonna be controlled kodwa wena you chose ukuthi ulale nalo yamfana loya omumthanda wena njengoba bombe sombizinja njengoba sobheka inkinga zakhe awuboni ukuthi abakini abangenile in between. You think is that guy because they are so they bahlebela izinto ukuthi indoda kwamele ibe nje hey makangenzi kanje akusindoda eqiniso ekubeni bona abosisi bakho bahlulekile amadoda bahlulwe yini bona bazokutshela ukuthi amadoda siyawazi yo bona abobana bathe bazame bonke lamadoda ubani othe uzame wonke lamadoda until uzuthi wena amadoda uyawazi ubani othe uzame wonke amadoda. You could have chosen yours and be out of the way for others. It can't be your husbands, all of them. Can't be your man. One man, one woman emhlabeni. Otherwise ngiyanitshela bafethu sizoloko sirounda kanje njengetayira letrekere eplazini lebhajiwe utaka. Ngiyakutshela soloko sirounda kanje. And sizokhala foul singabazali. Dala ngisho ngithi abazali abaningi they are shifting the blames. Ugcina khuluma insult kuNkulunkulu athi mina lo mntwana ongihlolile. uNkulunkulu kunike kanjani? Umntwana akusisipho esibuya kuNkulunkulu. Uhlolwa isipho wena. Oro yenyangeni. Abanye bethu, abobaba bethu, nabomama bethu bayenyangeni ukuthi kuvele thina. But after sivele akanandaba nami. Uthi ngimhlolile. Ngisomhlola vele. Ngoba natural ngisipho mina esibuya kuNkulunkulu. Because ngilo yamuthi mina obuya kulegobela lo. Isipho siqelwa. Why worry if ungabi nomntwana? Why worry? Because the gift is gonna come at the right time. uNkulunkulu uyazi uhleze sesikhathini esiright. uNkulunkulu bafethu akakazi aba wrong. But wena mawuzophuza imithi uthi ufuna umntwana, uthi ufuna umshado, uthi ufuna indoda, ekubeni uNkulunkulu uyibekile indoda umbekile umfazi. There is no way I can go to ugobela ngafuna umfazi. Akusaso wami loyo. Akusase yilo ngophuwa uNkulunkulu loyo. Angeke kube umaqondana loyo. Ngoba uyazi ukuthi umshango umuthi every day. Wena kodwa ekusalayo usazohamba umuthi usazo expire nalenyanga yakho izofa ngoba iwumuntu kaNkulunkulu nayo. Guys, uNkulunkulu uyibhoza emhlabeni, no one else. Wait for God. If sithi uNkulunkulu isipho esibuya kuNkulunkulu, umntwana isipho esibuya kuNkulunkulu, asimelene uNkulunkulu ke. Sekele kuya kubafundisi. Or if wena uyabona ukuthi uyagula, go to the doctor. Or mangabe bathi unqolile, unqoliswe yini? Wenzeni? ungafani nabantu abathi uJesus wamele izibi izono zethu, wafela izono zethu. Yet namhlanje sisatshelwa ngesono namhlanje. Ezingabani lezona sifele kanti? Yet namhlanje sisahlupheka in the name of a sin. Angathi uJesus usifele sonke ne, but namhlanje isimo ifuna eyiphi le bekayifela. Yabo, asekeleni ukwenza ama excuse angekho gentlemen and ladies. Asekeleni ukwenza ama excuse angekho. Mfethu, mangeke uthanda umfazi onabantwana, suke ebafazini abanabantwana mfethu. Ngiyacela soka ebafazini abanabantwana. Ngoba wena ubheka amathanga, and it is way bigger than amathanga mfethu. Ethandweni uthando. Omunye umfazi ungena kuwe ngengqondo yakhe, ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke ngeqiniso. Wena kanti ubheka ukukhwaya udlule. You are lying in the name of God. I love you baby. I love you baby. Mawuqeda uyamthuka, uyamshaya, uthuka nabantwana bakhe. Umbiza ngesifebe. But you said I love you. You said I got you. uNkulunkulu you. Ngifuna ni understand bafethu ukuthi uthando uNkulunkulu. Ngendlela ezinjani, ngendlela ezokuthi phakathi kothando there is no hatred, there is no sorrow, there is no bad. Othandweni yangithola akunabutsotsi, akunabuclever, akuna-classification kuNkulunkulu. We are all the same. Hence in front of his eyes we are all children, irrespective of ukuthi wena umalume, wena uauntie, wena ugogo, wena umama, wena uyiphoyisa general, wena commissioner, but in front of God's eyes we are children. We are children. So let us go to that level of a child in order to understand us ourselves and to understand our kids and to know how we take care of them growing up. You must be there emotionally, spiritual and physical. Ngoba nina mabasasebancane labantwana benu niyavela la, my bundle of joy, wow, God is great. Uthi God is great, wazi ukuthi ubuya kugobela. Ngithi akuso God, uyazi ukuthi there is no God in there involved. Uye kugobela wena, uthandaze kuGod waze wahluleka, waze wafuna another help. Uyangalabantu abathi uNkulunkulu udinga ukusizwa, bakutshela wrong gospel. uNkulunkulu doesn't need any help from his creation. How can you need help from your creation? It makes no sense. So yekelani lobu clever babantu abakhulumayo bafethu bathi uNkulunkulu udinga ukusizwa besoye enyangeni. Lo mntwana uzokuhlula abanye inyanga zilele nabo, inyanga ezihlakaniphile zezabona ukuthi ubaba akayenzi kahle lento, ubaba akayenzi kahle lento. Uzoyenza kahle kanjani ubaba edelelwe endlini, ahlala ne-stress, kuthiwa akasebenzi, agibelwe enhloko abantwana nomfazi nabakubo umfazi? Izosebenza kanjani inhloko yakababa? Imizwa kababa izosebenza kanjani? Uzocreate kanjani? You can't create anything ngengqondo engaqabanga straight bafethu. We have to be God to produce, to create like him. We have to be like him mentally, sibe free and happy. Uyangithola? Same as nomfazi. Ulala kanjani nale ndoda le? Ikuthuka every day. Yabo? Makaqeda le ndoda le, hence bengithi mina mawuqabana nomfazi umthuka umenzana mawuqeda umkhomba indlela bese kayakuxolela. I'm telling you mfana Samson, from there on wa rape from there on. O batla o tsamaya ha gona a tsebe matla yang. Wabo akere ba ko bona ba buile hampe ko wena nako santsana le mnate lesikhathi kumnandi bekaloku akhuluma bo auntie abosibane kabi, manje mase kumela hambe kunzima. So bese kayakuxolela, angathi ngithanda ukuxolelwa, bese kayakuxolela, bese wena uya relax uqabanga ukuthi right, uya rape kuyale mfana Samson, ukulahlile lo muntu. Abanye abantu bafethu balahlwa a year before balahlwa ngempela, kodwa la dala ulahliwe mfana Samson lesikhathi umthuka ngomamakhe. lesikhathi umtshela ukuthi ahambe ilesikhathi akulahle wakuqolela ngoba wena uyasebenza uzane 800 weekly endlini uzane 4000 monthly endlini yabo that is why ubona na ukuthi soyalithenga lo thando uyabona nawe akajabulanga usisi uzojabuliswa yini they can only pretend and there is no great pretender la emhlabeni bafowethu kuyaya upatrekwe ukuthi uya pretend and then nesimoshela isikhathi sinesibindi singabantu how can uhlale nomuntu ongazi kubo kodwa uthi ufuna ukwakha umuzi naye but awazi kubo 3 years 4 years 5 years awukazi waya kubo indoda or umfazi uyenza kanjani leyo nto makangagula uhlala naye uzongena enkingeni sibali uzomnqwaba uzomgubha futhi I'm telling you uzomnqwaba uzomgubha futhi uzothi uyabafonela uthi hey uyagula udimakatso la bathi hayi dokotela mnakekele or indoda yakhe angithi mnakekele usifaka kuphi thina ba drop ifone ufone futhi ukuthi sikashonile bathi mnqwabe angithi umfazi wakho wena umfazi wakho futhi thina nesitshelanga noma nishada so yezwa ukuthi yo izawusho mnqwabo uzobona bayafika ke abantu abadala ke abomalume bakhe abomkhulu bakhe ke abo anti bakhe ke bayafika bazokubuza umbuzo oyi phela uyamazi lo muntu omncwabile wazi ukuthi makatha wena wazi go baby benibiza na baby angithi wazi ukuthi makatha nithi sofa silahlane nikhuluma abantu amagama abantu abashadile lapho niyenza izinto zabantu abashadile lapho uloko uthatha abantwana wena sithi lokho bathumela kini ngoba nihlala eroomini nifuna ukwenza isex angithi akuna space mar you don't work towards that space ukuthi nithole space nebhizi nenza isex phambi komntwana abanye abantwana abalingana nami ngikhuluma ngabalingana nami yabona mina I'm old now ngikhuluma ngabantwana abalingana nami abanye babo bake babona abazali babo bayenza isex how could I respect you because I'm angry it's traumatizing I'm telling you it's traumatizing why I don't know engikwaziyo ukuthi boys protect their mothers girls protect their fathers I'm telling you angithi kuyashiwo ukuthi umntwana wentombazana umngane kamamakhe but ithi ngokutshela umamakhe angajola alethe enye indoda endlini amantombazana akhona kulungile ngoba mama wabo yabo baya understand but amadoda awa understand umama letha amadoda endlini umntwana umfana loyo aka understand even if ushangathi uya understand hlala wazi ukuthi uyatolerate ngoba uyamncenga ngemali umnika something bhekisisa kahle that is why kuba ngathi wamukele ukuthi abe ne stepfather that easy inature ubheka amantombazana mangabe umama akekho ubaba afaka abafazi amantombazana is so hard ukuthi baamukele le ntombazana lomfazi lo it's very difficult very difficult ukuthi bam accept as their mother because they are now fighting for their mother original mother now ngengqondo abajabule that is why bazohlala 6 months bamblame hayi lo mama lo wenzani same as nakubaba so bafethu masenza abantwana si2 noma singaqabana abantwana bezihlozi basithanda si2 I'm telling you angithi ngabazali bakhe yes nina niyajola nje yabona bona ningabazali bakhe maniqeda niyahlokana thinking ukuthi lo mntwana uzoba right enqondweni hayi bafethu abanye bayiswe iloko kuma drugs abanye bayiswe iloko ku crime abanye bayiswe iloko ku gangsterism agcina sekayobona ukuthi hayi angithandwa la kanti umama usatisfy le out or le out isatisfy lo mama omusha ongena endlini. Be careful bafethu ngabantwana benu, zikhuliseleni abantwana benu, otherwise biza ugogo azohlala nawe ke mangabe ufuna leso space. But wena ushayisela kubantwana bakho everyday, uhlala wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani nabantwana bakho everyday. Dala sigula size siphole abomama bethu bangazi. That was very, very disturbing mentally and emotionally. That was very disturbing. Makazile umama akanasikhathi sami ngoba sibaningi lapha ngithi amakhazini. Ufuna ukuthi abalance izinto kube ngathi ufeke ithi sonke. Kanti mina bengimfuna nge1 umama. Ngifuna ispace sami naye. Angisithola until abuyele eJozi. Bafethu asisikholiseni abantwana bethu. Otherwise kuzoba amarabhela mabekhula, and you will blame who? Ugogo ngathi, "Hey ugogo ubayenzeni labantwana? Ugogo yabatefisa." Ugogo bakhulise kahle bekabanika ishelter enza sure ukuthi bayadla. Wena ungabayenzanga kahle labantwana. Angeke nakuNkulunkulu ngeke uyoblame ugogo. Ngeke. Doesn't matter what. NakuNkulunkulu ngeke uyoblame ugogo. uNkulunkulu uzoblame wena for abantwana bakho, for isipho akunike sona, for abantwana obazalile wena. Maningana abantwana niyakhala. Nendoda ezokufosta ukuthi nibe nomntwana. Red flag or akamazi uNkulunkulu. Angaziqhubekisa ama-agenda wakhe ngoba kubo bayamthuka ukuthi akazali akusiyindoda, sekaza kuwo ufuna ukuzoziprova ukuthi uyindoda, kanti la engqondweni akusiyindoda. Uzokushiya, uzofuna ukukucontrola, uzofuna ukukwenza security. Bafethu, I hope sizwena ukuthi abantwana bethu bazokhula ba-right. Khumbula ukuthi la sizama ukuthi siqede ama-gangsterism, sizama ukuqeda i-crime, sizama ukuqeda ama-drugs, sizama ukuqeda lama-addiction angekho endleleni bafethu. Sikwatile, nizoblame abantwana mabekhula bakwatile bafethu. Kanti lento le ikuye, angeke suke easy. Even a counselor angeke suke easy. So i-rehab enkulu bafethu ingqondo zethu iqala kuma-family wethu. I-rehab enkulu leyo, yabo, i-rehab enkulu leyo. As for laba abanabantwana kuma-rehab bafethu, I say God is there for you. We will always pray bafethu. Ningalahli ithawula, ningalahleli labantwana benu ithawula. Kwesinye isikhathi abazenzanga. Khona imimoya enza labantwana kanje. Nani ningabazali, niya contribute from the early age ne development yalo dodo yenzakalayo. Although ningathi ni shift blame, I'm telling you. Akekho ngangibaleka. All gas, no brakes. Ngiyasibongela bafethu namhlanje bafethu. I hope nizozwa bafethu abantwana bethu mababe protected from the early age. Nathi singabantu abadala sehlise nomoya sesikhansela bafethu. Sikhohlwe ezinye izinto ezizwisa ubuhlungu because just affect today. And esenzane thina se affect abantwana bethu thina ngeanger yethu. Uthi udlalisa abantwana. Hey wena futhi uhlanyela. Hey noma nikhuluma nje seniyathukana. Ungakwatanga. Esebenze kanjalo bafethu. Ngicela ninakekele ingqondo zabantwana. Ungathi wena mawumoshekile mzali bese umosha abantwana. Never. Siyekeni lento. Siyabonga bafethu. Mina I'm speaking from the experience. Bengimkhumbula umama. Bengimthanda ugogo. Hence namhlanje I regard my grandmother as my mother. I used to call her like that. Mama. Bengingalibizi leli lakagogo. Ngilibiza mangikhuluma nabantu ukuthi awugogo wami. But kimi bekumama bengimbiza mama. Umamami ngizombiza abantu. Ngeke ngithaba umama abayi2. It's either usisi, abanye babiza abomama bababosisi, abanye bababiza ngamagama. Awukwazi ukubiza umama akho awuphilanga naye. Ungangikhulisi ngemali kuphela. Don't buy me. I'm your child, mother. Don't buy me. Come to me. Raise me. You know. Guys are the excuse mo. Thank you very much, Buffett. Bafethu, before ngivala ngijabulile laba bathu phakela mthakathi uthathi 3 million abangayazi laba bathu uqabane noJacinta hambani wale hambani yosifihla bafethu please yekelane thina kwenza kalomsebenzi thina saba supporta labantu. These are our leaders. I understand into abayenzayo wena monga understand akusindaba yethu le suke emabhozeni. Big up too much and much bafethu nyanibonga. Ango